Every day, businesses use artificial intelligence to improve customer service, develop products, analyze markets, detect fraud, support medical research, optimize supply chains, and assist employees with routine work. Students use AI to learn faster. Entrepreneurs use it to launch businesses. Scientists use it to accelerate discovery. Creative professionals use it to explore new ideas. The intelligent age isn't coming. It's here. But this isn't simply a technology story. It's a leadership story. Organizations that succeed won't necessarily have the most powerful AI. They'll have the strongest cultures. They'll invest in people as much as technology. They'll create governance that builds trust. They'll encourage continuous learning. They'll redesign work rather than simply automate it. The same principle applies to individuals. Success in the future won't depend on memorizing more information. AI already has access to enormous amounts of knowledge. Success will depend on interpreting that knowledge, applying it wisely, making ethical decisions, building relationships, leading teams, creating solutions to problems that don't yet have obvious answers. These are deeply human strengths. Artificial intelligence expands our capabilities. It doesn't replace our responsibility. Throughout history, every generation has faced moments of profound technological change. Some people resisted, others adapted. The individuals and organizations that prospered were those who embraced innovation while remaining grounded in timeless human values. That challenge remains the same today. Learn continuously, stay curious, develop judgment, strengthen communication, lead with integrity, use technology responsibly. Artificial intelligence will continue evolving. New tools will emerge, new opportunities will appear, new challenges will test us. But one truth will remain constant. The future won't be determined by the intelligence of our machines. It will be determined by the wisdom of the people who choose how those machines are used.